Good morning, my dear students. Today I am here with exercise 12.2 question number 6. Hope so all of you are doing this chapter. If you have any doubt, then you can clear your doubts by calling me. Now we are going to ask question number 6, which says that an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of a cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is to be required? Means you have to find out the area of each color. There are two different colors are used. 5 pieces have same color and another 5 pieces have same color. First find area of one triangular part. Area of one triangular part can be calculated with the help of Hero's formula. Here A equals to 50 centimeter, B is also 50 centimeter and C equals to 20 centimeter. Then first find S. S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 20, 120. 120 upon 2 equals to 60. So S equals to 60. Then area equals to S into S minus A. 60 into 60 minus 50. 60 minus 50 and C is 20. 60 minus 20. S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. All these terms lie in root. Write 60 as it is. 60 minus 50, 10. 60 minus 50, 10. 60 minus 20, 40. All these terms lie in root. Now make pair of these terms like 60. You can write 60 as 20 into 3. 10 as it is, this 10 as it is. 40 as 20 into 2. All these terms lie in root. 10 is 2 times, this 20 and this 20 is 2 times. So 10 and 20 make a pair. These terms come out from the root. 3 and 2 is single, so 3 and 2 lies in root. 10 and 20 comes out from the root. 3 and 2 lies in root. 10 into 20, 200. 3 into 2, 6 centimeter square. So area of one triangular part is 200 root 6 centimeter square. There are 5 triangular parts. Then area of 5 triangular parts. Area of 5 parts equals to 5 into 200 root 6. 5 into 200, 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Each part have equal measuring, yes, same measuring. So we can say that area of 5 triangular parts equals to 1000 root 6 and remaining 5 parts that have different color is also 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Means there are total 10 triangular parts. Area of 5 parts 1000 root 6 centimeter square and area of remaining 5 parts is also 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Question number 6 is complete. Now we are going towards question number 7, which says that question number 7 is that a kite is in the shape of square having diagonal 32 centimeter and a triangle, isosceles triangle on its lower part having sides 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. How much paper of each shade have been used? Means a kite which is in the shape of square and a triangle, isosceles triangle having two equal sides 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and this side is 8 centimeter. This part is in the form of square having diagonal 32 centimeter. First part, second part and third part. Each part have different shade. You have to calculate the area of each shade. Diagonal of square, diagonals of square bisect each other at right angle. All of you know that diagonals of square bisect each other at right angle. Bisect means two equal parts. At right angle means angle of 90 degree. So we can say that diagonals of square bisect each other. So if this diagonal is 32 centimeter, then after bisecting this part equals to 16 centimeter and this part is also 16 centimeter. Bisect means two equal parts. If we divide 32 into two equal parts, then this part equals to 16 and this is also 16. And bisect each other at right angle means all these angles are of 90 degree. So we can say that first part and second part are in the shape of right angle triangle. Area of first part. Area of first part equals to area of second part. First part and second part are in the shape of right angle triangle. So area of right angle triangle equals to 1 upon 2 base into height. Base is 32 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. 1 upon 2, 32 into 16. 32 is cancelled by 2, 16. 16 into 16, 256. So area of first part and area of second part equals to 256 centimeter square. Now area of third part, which is in the shape of triangle. Area of triangle can be calculated with the help of Hero's formula. Here A equals to 6 cm, B is also 6 cm and C equals to 8 cm. Then S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 upon 2 equals to 10. S equals to 10. Then area will be S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. All these terms lie in root. Write 10 as it is. 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 8, 2. All these terms lie in root. Write 10 as 5 into 2. 4 as it is, 4 as it is and 2 as it is. Now these two 4 make a pair and these two make a pair. So 4 and 2 comes out from the root and 5 is single, so lies in root. 4 into 2, 8. 8 root 5 centimeter square. Value of root 5 is 2.24. Value of root can be calculated with the help of long division method. You have already read in your previous class. Now value of root 5 is 2.24. 8 into 2.24. 17.92. 8 4 32. 3 carry. 8 to 16 plus 3 19. 1 carry. 8 to 16 plus 1 17. 17.92 centimeter square. So area of first part and second part are 256 centimeter square and third part is 17.92 centimeter square. Question number 7 is complete. Now we are going towards question number 8, which says that a floor design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are in the shape of triangle, having 9 centimeter, 25, 8 centimeter and 35 centimeter. 9, 35 and 28 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tile at the rate of rupees 50 per meter square. There are 16 tiles which are in the shape of triangle. Sides are 9 centimeter, 35 centimeter and 28 centimeter. First find area of these 16 tiles. If one tile having measurement 35 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 28 centimeter, Then first calculate the area of one tile. Area of one tile which is in the shape of triangle. Here A equals to 9 centimeter, B equals to 28 centimeter and C equals to 35 centimeter. First calculate S. S equals to 9 plus 28 plus 35 upon 2. 9 plus 28, 37. 37 plus 35, 72. 72 upon 2 equals to 36. S equals to 36. After calculating S, find area. Area equals to 36 into 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28, 36 minus 35. All these terms lie in root. 36 as it is, 36 minus 9, 27, 36 minus 28, 8, 36 minus 35, 1. Write 36 as 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36, 27 as 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8 and 1. All these terms also lie in root. These 2, 3, 3, 2. 2 and 3 left single. So they lies in root. 3 and 2 lies in root. 2, 3, 3 and 2 comes out from the root. You can write as 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36. 3 into 2, 6 centimeter square. So area of one tile, one triangular part is 36 root 6 centimeter square. Value of root 6 is 2.45. If we multiply 36 by 2.45, then 88.2. So area of one tile equals to 88.2 centimeters square. But there are 16 tiles. So area of 16 tiles equals to 88.2 into 16. This will be equals to 1411.2 centimeter square. So area of 16 tiles equals to 1411.2 centimeter square. In last, you have also calculate the cost. Total cost equals to area into cost at 1 centimeter square. Area equals to 1411.2. Cost at 1 centimeter square is 50 paise. 50 paise means 50 upon 100 rupees. 50 upon 100. 1 by 2. 2 7, 14, 0, 2 5, 10. 1 is left. 2 6, 12. So total cost for 16 tiles equals to rupees 705.6. Question number 8 is complete. Now we are going towards question number 9. Question number 9.